Another warning.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota.
Flash flood warning.
Northern Clark County in north-central South Dakota until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh my God, this is gonna be a bad storm.
7:36 p.m. Central
This is
Daylight
from the
Time.
severe weather.
Emergency management in Edmonds County reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across and near the Warren area.
Oh my gosh.
Reported flow in some area roads have been overtopped with water. The
Jeez.
expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 2 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Additional rainfall amounts of
An
6
inch
to
an
4
hour.
inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and
This
streams.
is gonna be a terrible
urban
storm,
areas,
you guys.
highways, streets, and underpasses,
Bunch of
as well as
content
other
coming you
cold
guys'
drainage
way.
and low-lying areas.
I'm posting a lot of
Some
videos.
locations that will experience flash flooding include Ipswich, Crispard, Seneca, Chelsea, Onika, Lamenga Colony, Norbeck, Loyalton, Pembroke Colony, Brentwood Colony, Cravens Corner, North Scatterwood Lake, and South Scatterwood Lake. Turn around.
It's heading
Don't
my
travel
way
when
too.
encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until
We just got
11:30
under
p.m. Central
freaking
Daylight Time
Edmonds
for the
County.
following counties:
That storm.
South Dakota, Edmonds, and fog.
All that rain's coming our way.
Oh,
And they said 1 to 2 inches in 2 hours.
oh, that's nice.
And they also said that roads and bridges are already being flooded over.
Well, Ipswich already was flooded to begin with,
Yeah.
so I was just there.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's
this is gonna
nice.
be great.
Yeah.